Toys help your bird fulfill their natural instinct by allowing them to shred, chew, and tear. Bizzy Birdz toys provide hours of mental stimulation, reducing the chance of feather plucking due to boredom. We recommend 3 different types of toys. One they can destroy quickly, one that takes a few months, and one they can't break. The Bizzy Birdz Acrylic Ball in Box toy is a stimulating toy designed to keep your bird curious and engaged. Featuring a colorful acrylic box with a movable ball inside, it encourages problem-solving, play and natural foraging instincts. Perfect for cages or play stands, this interactive toy provides hours of mental and physical fun time. Order yours today.